Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to maximize your YouTube dashboard settings. So for this, the first step is to please open the YouTube app and how to see the dashboards of YouTube. So now you will have to move in the YouTube studio. So go home back and just tap to this YouTube studio. So when you will open, you will see that you are already on dashboard mode. So you will see this is the dashboard option. It will be shown the latest public your videos recently, and here is the content where you can see the videos, shorts and podcast. And the second option is the you will see the audience, and the third one is the comment section, and you will see this is the comment sections. So from here you will just, and the last option is the earn. So this all these settings are in dashboard of YouTube, that channel you have been created. You will see this is the all requirements that fulfill your criteria. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.